Coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and man, is it hot in this kitchen. Our AC is pointing that way, and the dishwasher just ran, and I'm boiling water. It's probably like about 85 degrees in here. So, I'm going to slave over a stove now for your viewing pleasure, and make this Taiwanese noodle. This is Wong artificial pork and chicken flavored. Yes, yes, yes. And how long do we cook for? I think it's probably the regular old 3 minutes. 500 mils. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna go all in and do the 3 minutes. Yes, 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 y'all. Okay. So you have a dry sachet and a liquid sachet. And noodles. What a shock. Okay, so let's dump the noodles into the pot. And 1, 2, 3, bam. So, how's everybody doing? Good, I hope. It's we're looking. This is Tuesday. It's gonna start getting real warm on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then get nice and cool-ish again. But yeah, I live in just north of Seattle, and we're about to have our second bout of probably a day, at least one day that hits 100 degrees. That's insanity. We had, oh, what was the record we hit? I've got a photo of the temperature gauge just down the block from here, and it hit 111. Basically in North Seattle. That's just crazy business. There's a guy who is like the god of weather around here, a guy named Cliff Nass. I don't agree with his politics, but man, that guy knows his stuff about weather. And he was like, dude, it's gonna get hot, dude. I swear to God, it's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot. He was right. He was right about the snow too last year. So I'm a convert. Sometimes he gets like real political, and it's like, ugh, dude. Sometimes I get political, and people are like, ah, dude. But c'est la vie. Went up to Anacortes, my hometown, for the first time in about a year, and this weekend, and it was the Arts and Crafts Festival. Well, they got rid of the crafts, even though it's all crafts, but it's now the Anacortes Arts Festival. Not a lot of art. A lot of like silly white people dancing to really bad jazz. Yeah. It's I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, we need mung bean sprouts. We do. And we went to the mung bean sprout emporium known as 99 Ranch Market yesterday, and they didn't have my regular stuff. They had this one. California grown organic sprouts. Whoa. Add sprouts to boiling water, cook for 1 minute and drain. Toss in with your favorite dressing, sesame oil, or seasoning, and enjoy. So just like they're saying, just eat these. Don't do anything else. Just eat. It's kind of weird. Maybe not. Maybe some people like to just eat mung bean sprouts. Okay. Personally, I like them, but I don't like them like that. That's weird business right there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what to think of that. I guess you would go through a lot more mung bean sprouts that way. Maybe they like that. All right, we are done cooking the noodle. Let's get a bird's eye view of this wonderful, wonderful bowl here. So, but I think I got this one. Yeah, you know, my little girl Mimi saw this one at the store, and she said, "You need this one, Papa." And I'm like, I do, and I'm like, you know what? I don't think I reviewed this one. If I did, it was like, God, back in 2010. So that's good. That works. That is totally within the bounds of good to go. It's getting close. They're going to be both back in school, which means that I can set up the green screen. There's going to be some top tens of brewing pretty quick here. Spicy. Taiwan. The Taiwan people are like, dude, get on it. It's time. Which I will. I'm really excited this year. There's going to be some risks. Absolutely kick butt. Bravo worthy Taiwanese varieties this year. I'm excited. Some new stuff, some old stuff. All good. Taiwan #1. Who will it be? I guess you'll see. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Artificial pork and chicken flavor. Boy. Extremely hot bowl. Look at that broth though. Artificial. Wow. Yeah. I would go so far as to say I can't tell if it tastes like chicken or pork, but it definitely tastes like either or. So it works. It's nice and greasy too. I mean, this is good. If you find it while you're waltzing through your local grocery store, I recommend giving it a try. And so here's our bowl. I want to use the other bowl. I'm going to use the other bowl on the next review. The next review, oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know, the instructions were like, there weren't many, let's just put it that way. We're gonna add some real pork and chicken. There's some chashu, and there's some chicken and some chashu. I sauteed it on the stove in a pan. Oh yeah, with this new seasoning I got. I've been like trying to do the diet thing. Didn't do so well last couple days, but you know. But I make a lot of popcorn now. And me being the way I am, I like to try all these new things. So I got some seasonings. And I got this. So that. Pappy's. It's good. Really good on chicken. Let's add some. Yeah. Let's put it to work. Right there. Here we go. Holy slicer. That worked out well. Okay. You don't want to look at the cord. Maybe you do, but I don't want you to. There you go. All right, and then we've got an egg. Who doesn't like an egg? I like the cutting the odd fart and dropping the odd egg. There's an egg. And there's part 2 of said egg. I think my my soy sauce to rate, soy sauce to water ratio is a lot. And for these, I don't do all the mirroring and all that junk. I just don't like it. First off, it's expensive, and most of these I'm not even eating, so. A little bit of mung bean sprouts, which really isn't like something you will find over in Taiwan being used all that often, but it's nice. It's nice. A bit of sesame and a little bit of, I believe it's organic, crushed red pepper. So there we are. How you guys doing? Do you need to be over here a little more? Get cozy. There you are. Oh man, it is so hot in here. Slaving over a hot stove today, folks. Slaving. Oh, I'm having fun. Rotato, do your stuff as you do. Bring, 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 brr. Thanks for joining me on this fine episode. And now the next one you're gonna see is out of China. I don't even remember what it's called. What does it say here? Konjac noodles, hot and spicy flavor from China. And it doesn't really tell you much on how to cook it. And what sucks too is there's no picture of it. And I looked all over the place for it and didn't find much. But what I gather is you cook it, you drain it, you rinse it with cold water, and then you add all the stuff into it, and you're good to go. So that's what we are going to attempt. Yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, or you suck. Have a good one. Bye.